This is home workout for body training. At home, no gym, no problem. Let's go. Number 1. Number 2, right here, number 2. Perfect push-ups. Number 3. Come on, do this every day. Number 4. It's easy. Try again. Do this every day and every morning. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Give me a subscribe and a like. Ciao.